In this video, we're going to take a look at Quizlet. As you know that Quizlet is an online flashcard creator. It allows you to create as many flashcards as you like, and you can study them on your own desktop or mobile device. When you first open up your Quizlet account, you're going to see this going to be blank. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to actually create a study set. I'm going to click create, then study set. I'm going to add my new study set, which will be fruits and Spanish. You can add a description if you like. On one side of the card it will have terms, on the other definition, which will make it easier for you. I'm going to add my term grapes. As you can see, different terms appear. I'm going to select my language. I'm going on the other side, I'm making sure that my language is selected in Spanish and select the right fit for grapes. If I click on the image icon, images will appear. So I'm going to fill out my study set. So basically, once I have completed my list, I just click create. Where to have other social platforms where I can share it to. I can share it as an email, I can also copy the link, or I can add it to class or folder. On the left hand side, you can see different study options and you can see different games. So I'm going to click flashcard. When I click on the Spanish image, it flips to grapes. When I click here on audio,
Grape,
see it's flip.
uvas,
Then I could click on the advanced arrow. Or I can flip it.
cereza,
If I click learn, they will give me the word watermelon and I have to match it to whichever option they give me. And as you can see, with the image watermelon, it has its Spanish word. So it's basically easy because of the picture. I can click here, I can change it to one answer. I can answer in Spanish or English. Winnings are next study platform, which will be match. I can start again. I can match this to the word cherry. I can match this to apple, pineapple. This is grapes. The word watermelon. I can simply exit. And in March, there will be a time, my bad. If I click test, it will basically be like a test, like examination, where some will be written, multiple choice, and true or false. If I click gravity, I press get started, and they will give you a range to study all, stand, answer in Spanish. Let's see, I want to answer in English. And it's have different range where it could be difficult, medium, or hard. So let's go. This will be cherry. And if it falls, it's pineapple. Let's say I let it fall. Let's see what's happened. It will show you the correct answer. And last but not least will be live. However, I cannot demonstrate that because I do not have anyone to share live with, but this helps students also with the exam, and it's a game to cooperate and get along with each other. Thank you.